Hi, my Face Food friends. I'm here today with my friend Kris.
Hey.
She's visiting for the night, and she's coming from where?
Coming from Cambridge, Massachusetts.
Cambridge. So we might have celebrated a little bit last night, even though there's some quarantine going on.
Yeah.
And we had to get cut short a bit. We still went out and enjoyed our night.
We still managed to overindulge a little bit.
A little overindulgence. So we actually are going to be using some coffee today to soothe some of the baggage that we picked up for last night for our overindulging. So if you do happen to drink a little bit too much, sometimes too much salt will give us a little bit of puff under the eyes, right? Maybe a little bit of redness, but it's something that's not hereditary. This is something that's actually caused because you've inflicted it on yourself. So what we've done is we've used coffee and we've made them into little ice cubes. So you could just put that in your tray overnight, and we're going to use these to self-soothe.
It's a good idea. I never know what to do with like that last little like cold bit of coffee.
Yeah.
Just pour it into your ice cube.
Pour it into your ice cube tray, and like literally,
Let's try that again.
you can rub it around the orbital bone, so it'll take any fluid out of the lymphatic system, and it's gonna get messy. So you know,
Super
refreshing. Caffeine actually has antioxidants in it. It soothes the skin. You're about to try that.
I'm making a mess of myself.
So it soothes the skin. It depuffs. It actually helps with irritation as well. So if you are a little bit red and inflamed also, I don't know, maybe you had an extra rough night. Maybe you were crying a little bit or something. I don't know. Hopefully not. But this will help take that down. The antioxidants will also help with any free radicals, so that's really nice too. So it's actually good for the whole skin. It does constrict the blood vessels. What else does it do? So the depuffing, so it'll constrict the blood vessels. It'll bring more blood circulation to your skin surface. So you'll actually see caffeine a lot of times in your skincare ingredients. It's only a temporary thing, but it does really work. The ice actually is great too. You can even use different things in your ice. Caffeine, like I said, just like actually helps constrict things. So this is a great, like, really quick home remedy. If you wanted to, you could just use the ice by itself. The caffeine just really brings in that extra punch. So
Nice.
you probably won't even eat the whole thing, but you know, do it for about however long you can kind of handle it. You could actually put it back, do it again later if you're feeling like you're still a little bit puffy. This is a really good trick too. So if you did want to just use ice and you just like want to sculpt your face,
I wish I'd known about this in high school.
Yeah, right, me too.
I really could have used this.
You can really tighten actually all over the face. But we're just focusing right now on where we're having the most issues.
And
So.
definitely you're going to want to use a paper towel or a washcloth.
Yeah, it's a bit drippy.
Yeah, you gotta kind of mop up the excess.
But this feels really nice too. So if you are feeling like extra puffy and bloated, this is like a great way to refresh yourself first thing in the morning. And that's about it. So cheers. Thanks for joining us.
Cheers.
Today we're on my couch instead of the kitchen. And give it a whirl. Thanks.
Happy quarantine.
Oh yeah. Right. Bye. Oops.